going on, y'all? What is up? What is up? Yeah, y'all, you reached your favorite YouTuber, Straight Reviews, aka Big Bear Bro, aka also known as Fattboyygamer to everybody that knows me between all of my aliases out there. Well, apparently you guys already know that I did an unboxing of the Turtle Beach React R controller, which is the black variant. Yes, I had to double dip because for the simple fact is that the reason why WHY that I had to go get me another one. Controllers are very cool to have. They're very nice. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna hold out because for the simple fact is that I'm gonna come back with my review of these controllers and tell you how they really are. And make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see some more of the Big Bear Bro in the house. Oh shoot, the cord fell out and we're gonna see what's inside the box. I'm pretty sure it's gonna have the same stuff, but the controller is actually going to be a little bit different in color, which is the white and purple variant. Let's take it out this little sandwich baggie. Woo, and it's looking very nice. Just close up, I'm loving the way the articulated neonish, purplish colors right here in the React R controller. And I'll put it close up to your face right there, real, raw, and uncut. As you guys already know, it has all the button controls right there at the top, real, raw, and uncut. All the automated chats and voice features right here where you can actually control, real, raw, and uncut. Show you guys how long the cord is on this React R controller, real, raw, and uncut. We can stick it right here. This right here is the cord to actually have connected to the controller to use this controller, because it can only power up when it's inside your Xbox Series X, Xbox S, Xbox One, real, raw, and uncut out there. And as you guys can see, the cord is very long, and also it is also used for updating futures, whatever Turtle Beach is going to release later on down the line. Thank you for checking out my unboxing of the white version and the purple, real, raw, and uncut of the React controller. And if you guys want to see some more, let your boys around the world, and your girls around the world, and your kids around the world subscribe to the channel for more. Yeah.